Hello student, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to study about the periodic table of the elements in chemistry. So, in this periodic table, we can see there are 18 groups and 7 periods. So, the groups are being named above the chart like 1, 2, the upper portion of it, and behind it there are periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now in this periodic table we can find alkaline metal, alkaline earth metal, transitions metals, other non-metals, halogens, noble gas, rare earth elements, lanthanide elements, acetonide elements. Okay, and then you can see the separate portion of it, that is the lanthanide series and acetonide series. Okay, so student, it is very important to have knowledge about periodic table before you are going to study chemistry. You should have proper knowledge about the atomic number of these elements present in this periodic table. And the basic concept of the periodic table is that there are 18 groups and 7 periods. Okay, hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.